we were supposed to draw a time graph, and then we agreed to say the time graph step is going to be 45. Angish. So we're going to make our step to be 45. And then we go to our calculator. And then we go to mode. You know? Mode, we go to 7. And then we say we have minus the 10 alpha x, close brackets. Then you go to equals to, then what do you want to start? You start at 0. Ne? What do you want to end? You want to end at 360. Ne? Step, since it's a 10 graph, we agreed to say we're going to make it to be what to be 45. Equals to, we are done. Now, what do you have? You have 0 and 0. Ne? But we are not going to start at 0 and 0. We're going to start at the errors. Where are your errors then? It seems as if there's an error at 90. Ne? Okay, we come to our error. And then the other one is 270. Ne? Okay, this is where we expect to find our errors. Ne? Okay, now after that, we're going to connect the dots. The first dot that we had, it was 0 and 0. Ne? After that, we had what? 45 and minus 1. So we have 45, and then we also have what? Minus 1. Now, mistake number 1 that I've seen that learners are making, guys. Here, there's no error that is going to go this side because there's no asymptote. The error is going towards the asymptote. That's error number 1. Hey, I'm talking to you. Error number 1, we don't put an error where there's no asymptote. The error is going towards the what then? The asymptote. So let's erase this. Let's fix this. So we connect dot number 1 and dot number 2. Dot number 1 and dot number 2. And then the graph doesn't stop there. It approaches the asymptote, and then there's an error. The graph doesn't go towards the asymptote in this way. There are some of you who did something like this. The graph is, no, the graph is not going there. The graph is going down. If it fails, guys, let's do it this way. Let's make the step to be 15. And then if we make the step to be 15, and then we go from 0 to 108. Remember, if we make our step to be 15, it's going to make our memory to be full. So we can go from 0 to 15. If this one is not clear, do the step 15. It's going to give you exactly the correct points. Okay, let's try this one then also. Yeah, maybe we should make it 15. So that everyone can see exactly what we are talking about. Because it will give you from 0 to 108. Yeah, 0 to 108. Okay, let's try this one then. We have 135. 135 goes with what?
3.
It goes with 3. It goes with 1. It goes with 1. 180. 0. 225. -1. So here you have 3 dots. Uzo connect our dots now and say this thing here is coming from upwards there. This is how it looks like. Ne? And then the next one that we have, it's 315. 335. 315. 315 goes with what? +1. 360 goes with 0. Ne? Yeah, but I can't put an arrow this side. I'm sure there's no asymptote this side. So my arrow is going to go towards the asymptote. Ne?